Jackson, do you think Santa Claus came? Because I see some stuff.
Uh-oh. I see some of this. I see stuff over there. I think Santa Claus came. I think he came. Oh, it's Santa. Look.
What is that stuff, Jackson?
Look over there, Jackson. Look, did Santa Claus come? Oh my goodness. Holy man, what is
Jackson,
that?
what is all that?
What
Is
is
it so?
that?
Did Santa come see you?
Huh? Yeah. Hey.
Those are your toys from last night, silly goose.
Jackson.
Jackson, Daddy's got to show you something.
Just go walk. Hey.
See you around.
Look. Look at this. You wanna open this present? Open this present. Whoa! What is that? What is it?
Does that take pictures,
Hey.
Jackson?
Is this a camera? Is this a camera? Is this a camera, Jackson? I'll play with that in a minute. Look. Is this like Mommy's? Oh, man. That's a camera.
What do you do with it, Jackson?
Where'd you go? Look, here's your
Cheese.
button. Cheese. You say cheese? Whoa. We gotta put the batteries in it. Have to probably put the batteries in it. Yeah, it's gotta have batteries. They're already in it.
Hey, Jackson, you want to open your stocking?
Look. Here, I'll play with this in a minute. I'll play with this guy in a minute. I'm gonna play with him in a minute. Hold on.
He's getting your stocking.
Look. What's in here? Is this your stocking? Look, Jackson. Jackson, look. All this
Open it
stuff-
up.
all
Give
this
it.
Stuff's yours. Santa Claus brought, look, all this stuff. Wow. You like that? Hmm?
Is that a camera?
Yeah, it needs batteries. I'll put
We
Daddy
got
will put batteries. in it.
batteries.
Daddy will put batteries.
Hey, Jackson, what's in there?
What's this? Take it out.
Whoa.
Take it out. Like you can hold it. You hold it.
He's so quiet this morning compared to usual. What else is in there, Jackson?
Hey. Jackson, there's all kinds of stuff in here. Look. Look at all this stuff. Wow. There's all kinds of stuff in here. Look at this. Look at this. What's this? A frog. He'll wash it. Now wash. Look. Hey, look. What are these, Jackson? Jackson. These are for counting. Jackson. Look. Whoa. For counting. 1, 2, 3. You know your numbers, don't you? Huh? You know your numbers? Jackson.
Camera. Cheese.
Look. What else is in here? There's some more stuff way down in here. Look. What is that? You better get him.
They got us past fire so you can understand them.
What is it? A truck.
Vroom,
Oh.
vroom.
Let's get to work. We can build it.
Jackson, I think there's something in your table.
So, now I'm building.
Jackson. What's this?
Great job.
What's this thing? Is that a bath mat? Is that a big boy one?
A job
Hey, look.
well done.
Jackson. What's this? Puzzle? A duck? Is that a duck? Quack, quack. Quack, quack. With blocks? Is that a block? Put a puzzle together? What's this? Book? Elmo? Hey, what is this? Just a table? You think anything's inside there? You think anything's inside here?
Yeah.
What do you think's inside here? Look. Hey, give me open.
Yeah.
What do you think's inside here? Hmm?
Huh?
What do you think's inside? You think Santa Claus brought it?
Yeah.
What is that?
Hey.
Train. Look. Beep, beep, beep. Wow. Hey, we played one of these yesterday. Didn't we play with this? Yeah.
Jackson, do you like your train and your camera?
Did we play with the train?
Are you going to take a picture of the train? Okay.
Cheese. Look, I'm gonna smile. See,
What do you
watch.
tell him, Jackson, before you take the
Cheese.
picture?
Now hit the button. Wait. Oh, what'd you do? Oh, you're recording.
The video camera too?
Something. I don't know. How'd you get to that?
He's going to give it to you.
Alright, look. Wait. Still on video mode.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Take it out.
Can you help him open it, Jackson? Is that for Bubba? Can you give it to him?
Here you go, Bubba.
He'll like that. Yep. What else is in there? Look at him playing with it, Jackson.
He's already playing with it.